Hello, and welcome to Fresh Vegan. If you allow it, eating vegan may get pricey, but with the appropriate recipes in mind, it can also be done on a budget. There are many of low-cost vegan meals that are just as tasty and healthful as most expensive options. All you have to do is know what to look for. Planning ahead and buying goods like steel-cut oats, whole wheat flour, dried legumes, canned beans, peanuts, and corn kernels in bulk, which can be stored for a long time on the shelf, is the key to economic vegan meals. Today, we will tell you all about the shockingly cheap, sweet, and simple vegan meal ideas. Before we start, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, press the bell button to get the latest updates. Without any further delay, let us start. In the list of shockingly cheap, sweet and simple vegan meal ideas, we have Vegan Sloppy Joes. Robin Burns' Vegan Sloppy Joes are a delicious family supper. Lentils, chickpeas, and black beans, for example, could be used in place of cow meat for the base. Next on the list, we have Tofu Scramble. Use tofu instead of eggs, along with your favorite spices and vegetables, to make a morning egg scramble. Jennifer Valentine's Tofu Scramble with spinach and nutritional yeast includes spinach and nutritional yeast. Next on the list, we have tacos. Taco Tuesday can be as inexpensive and straightforward as black beans and rice with salsa, fresca, and lettuce. Dry legumes are inexpensive, especially when purchased in quantity. Experiment with vegan taco dishes like lentil tacos, falafel tacos, and tacos sin carne to see what you can come up with. Next on the list, we have Kale Salad. Kale is a healthy powerhouse green, so consume plenty of it and use it to frame a great salad. Vegan kale, Waldorf salad, or cheesy kale salad are two options. If you prefer, you can skip the dates and hemp seeds to save money on the dish. Next on the list, we have Hummus Sandwiches. Chickpeas are reasonably priced, especially if purchased dry and in bulk. Even canned chickpeas are reasonably priced. Hummus works well as a sandwich filler. Try it on Anne Carlene's Vegan Hung Dimmer Sandwich. Next on the list, we have Pasta with Vodka Cream Sauce. Amy Kramer and Lisa McCosby's pasta with vodka cream sauce is robust and full, and it's perfect for hectic nights when you want to use packaged goods like rice, pasta, and organic tomato sauce. Combine them with cashews and vodka, and you have got yourself a tasty sauce and a low-cost supper. Next on the list, we have stuffed peppers. Stuffed peppers with a rice-based stuffing are a budget-friendly supper that also fills you up. Try Veronica Grace's fat-free vegan Greek rice stuffed peppers. Next on the list, we have soups. Soups are quite simple to make. Though you can prepare some pricey, intricate soups, it is also possible to keep it simple by combining 5 ingredients in a boiling pot of water. Hearty barley lentil soup with potatoes is a delicious option. Raw green pea soup and raw carrot avocado soup are 2 raw soups to try. Next on the list, we have Quinoa Salad. Quinoa is a complete protein, so it provides a nutritious and satisfying meal when combined with some oils and vegetables. Quinoa carrot salad with super zesty lime and ginger dressing and protein-packed vegan salad with quinoa, chickpeas, lime, and cilantro are 2 delicious salads to try. Next on the list, we have baked sweet potatoes. For a cheap and quick meal, bake a sweet potato and top it with black beans, cilantro, and tomatoes. In this baked stuffed sweet potato with sriracha cashew cheese sauce, you can also add broccoli and avocado. Reduced meat consumption and increased plant-based eating have been shown to aid with chronic inflammation, heart health, emotional well-being, fitness goals, nutritional needs, allergies, and gut health, among other things. Dairy consumption has also been related to a number of health issues, including acne, hormone imbalances, cancer, and prostate cancer, as well as a number of negative side effects. Apart from these meals, you can also make many desserts. Desserts that are heavy in butter and cream and laced with eggs may come to your mind when you think about dessert. Vegan desserts, on the other hand, can change your mind about what a delicious dessert can be. Animal ingredients such as dairy milk, cream, butter, yogurt, cheese, eggs, and honey are not used in vegan recipes. Those limits are not nearly as restrictive as you would imagine. People have come up with a variety of inventive ways to replace eggs, such as using crushed flax or chia seeds, mashed bananas, or applesauce. Butter can be replaced with plant-based foods, such as fruit and vegetable purees or nut butters. After experimenting with a few vegan dessert recipes, you will discover the secrets to making your favorite brownies and cookies. You may want to make a vegan dessert for a variety of reasons. Having these ideas on hand is obviously beneficial if you follow a vegan or vegetarian diet, but they are also beneficial if you are simply aiming to eat more vegetables and less animal products. Vegan sweets are also a fantastic option for those who are lactose intolerant, allergic to eggs or milk, or avoid dairy in any other way. In this list, we have cookies with nut butter and oats that don't need to be baked. Recipe for no-bake cookies from Love & Lemons for a chewy, luscious cookie in only 5 minutes plus some chilling time in the fridge is the best. The basis of these cookies is peanut butter and rolled oats. Nut or seed butters provide a delicious combination of healthful fat, protein, fiber, and minerals in recipes. Next on the list, we have vegan chocolate mousse. You would be astonished at what you can achieve with an avocado, especially when it's coupled with chocolate, which skillfully masks both the color and the flavor of the fruit. With the addition of coconut cream, this mousse from chocolate-covered Katie is light and fluffy, but it may also be made avocado-based. According to the American Heart Association, avocado contains heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. That is all for today, folks. Tell us in the comments section what your favorite vegan meal on a budget is. And see you soon with another amazing video.